100 days to go from zero to $10,000 a month. Today was day 5 and it was amazing. I started working at 4 p.m. I watched an episode of my mentor course. Then I did my first ever niche interview. It was amazing. The guy was very chill, he had good vibes, he responded to all my questions, he gave me a very interesting insight. Now I believe I'm friends with him. If you want to grow your business, you must know your niche on a very deep level. And the easiest way to do that is to become a part of your niche, make friends with them, take them on interviews, and learn everything about them. If you're young, you can just say that you want to be like them when you grow up. Being young is an unfair advantage and you must abuse it. Now, another tip, if you want to stay more consistent and stay more committed to your business, I would advise you to make this kind of videos. It will really help you to stay more accountable to yourself, and it will help you work more and stay more committed. If you want to join the best free course on the internet, it's from my mentor Charlie Morgan. You can DM me and I will give you the link. Subscribe to follow the journey. Tomorrow day 6 will be amazing. I will be trying my first 12 hours work day and we'll see how that goes.